Hi all, welcome to Myra Creation Trekking Special. Today we are going to explore Karnala Bird Sanctuary and Fort. We started early morning from Thane. We had our breakfast at McDonald's Kalamboli and began our ride towards Karnala. On reaching Karnala, we were greeted by monkeys at the gate. There is ample parking space at the entry. As it was Republic Day, we got to enter the sanctuary free of cost. For charges and timing, check the description box. Before starting the trek, your bags are checked. And if any disposable are found, then a deposit money is collected by the security. On your return, your bags are checked again. If all the disposables are found, then deposit is returned. This is a good initiative to avoid littering on the way. Due to this, the place is very clean. We saw parrots, parakeets and peacocks at the base near the restaurant. There are toilets at the base before the trek begins. On the way to the fort, there are no toilets available. It was fun to walk and find out my own way to climb. Be careful during the climb, you may twist your leg. This is the most difficult stretch on the trek. I had to find my own way through rocks and stones. In rainy season, it would be more challenging. It was fun to walk and find out my own way to climb. Though the trek is beginners, due to the uneven climb, I got tired and took rest on the natural hammock. After a break rest, we started ascending again. Keep sipping water and keep yourself hydrated. We clipped few pics on the way. This is the easiest stretch on the trek. I thought we reached the top, but we had to climb more to reach the top. After trekking more than an hour, I was happy to see the peak. There are numerous selfie points throughout the trek. This is the entry gate to the fort. This is the view from the top of the peak. We could spot many monkeys on the way. On reaching the top, we learned that the entry into the fort is closed as there was some restoration work going on. We clicked few pics and began descending. There is a small restaurant at the base which serves good food. We had fresh lime and kokum sarbat to energize ourselves. Do like, share and subscribe the channel for more such videos.